Home is where love resides. Memories are created. Friends are always welcome. And families forever. This is Soumya presenting a 3 BHK flat located in Concord, Anwar. If you open it, close it. If you empty it, fill it. If you dirty it, clean it. If you cook it, then don't forget to share it. These are the rules of this kitchen. Family is what happens when two people fall in love. This is the master bedroom of our masters. Who says nightwear for sleep? The tour of this property ends here. If you love this video, give us a thumbs up by clicking the like button, share this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. And guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. See you next Friday. This is Soumya signing off. Bye bye.